Carpet cleaning friends, floor cleaning friends, this is John Williams and Roger D. Lloyd of the Carpet Cleaner Show. It's our latest episode, and in this week's show, we want to talk about the importance of upselling and how that can really make your marketing work for you. And the reason why I wanted to talk about this topic is because a few weeks ago, I saw our good friend here, Roger. He was doing a live on Facebook, and he was talking about a job that we'd generated for him from our marketing services here at AGB. It was a $167 special, part of the special that we were running for him on our Facebook ads. And he was recording live on Facebook talking about how he turned that job from $167 into like $700-800. And it was just absolutely amazing. And I think that that is really the key to really making your advertising and marketing work for you. You know, whether you're working with us at AGB, whether you're doing it yourself, whether you're paying another company to do it, the game is basically following up quickly, and we will talk about that at another time. It's about following up in the right way, but also trying to squeeze as much juice out of that opportunity as possible, and, you know, using things like upsells, referral schemes, so on and so forth, to turn a $100 job, a $150 job, a $167 job into a $300, a $400, a $600, a $700, an $800 job, to turn one customer into three customers, because that one job that you did, she referred you or he referred you, and you got 2 or 3 more jobs out of it. And that's how you make your advertising dollars work to their maximum potential, by upselling, by having referral schemes, by having all of these systems in place. What I'm seeing in the industry is the people that have got that figured out, the people that are really good at upselling, the people that are really good at talking to their customers and getting them to refer business and all this good stuff, the people that are awesome at that, they're the people that have the real big success. They're the people that are doing the $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month with AGB. It's because they're good at upselling. They didn't sell loads of $167 jobs. No, they sold basically plenty of jobs at that price, and then they upsold them. And that's something that I saw Roger do in that live video, and I thought that was really cool and awesome. Over the years, I've spoken to a lot of carpet cleaners in America and all over the world, and I've spoken to them and I've said, look, you really want to make sure that you're upselling to really get the most out of the service. And the feedback that I've had in the past, not always, but it's, you know, I don't feel comfortable doing that, or like asking for more money. And, you know, there definitely, in my mind, seems to be a bit of a mindset issue, possibly a self-esteem or a confidence issue, to be able to go into somebody's house and like literally ask for more money, or, you know, try to sell them and stuff like that. And I think Roger was talking to somebody himself the other day, and you'll probably touch on this in a minute as well. And he was saying the same thing. And the person said something like, I don't want to be a salesman, or, you know, I'm a carpet cleaner, not a salesman. I think they said something like that to Roger. And the reality is, listen, if you are a business owner, then yes, you are a salesman, because of course you're selling your services. You need to be a salesman to get customers, whether that's through selling, through your advertising, whether it's through selling through in person, through knocking on doors, through sending out flyers, whether it's selling when you're in the home. Of course you're a salesperson, and it's a key thing. That skill is in being successful with your business. So I wanted to do an episode today with Roger, touching on, in particular, upselling in the home, and also some of the mindset and the confidence and self-esteem things around all of that. And so I'd like to talk to Roger now and just sort of get some insight into him. Roger, is there anything that you can say or any advice that you can give to people like that might help them just feel that little bit more comfortable, and give them that little bit of bravery to think, you know what, today I watched the video with John and Roger this morning, and you know what, I feel really empowered, man. Like, I'm going to give it a try today. I've got a $150 3-room job on the books. Let me see if I can make it into a $300 job. I'm nervous. I'm scared. You know, it's not what I normally do. I'm out of my comfort zone. What advice can you give from a mindset, from a confidence, from a self-esteem point of view that might help people just overcome those nerves? What can you say around that?
One thing I've noticed, John, about carpet cleaners, they love to talk about the features. It's a such thing as called features and benefits. You know, we love to talk shop. We love to talk shop. We hate to talk benefits. We would rather tell our customer that we have a steam action Nike 1000 outside. It's one of the most powerful carpet cleaning units on the planet. Our customer is saying, great for you. What is it going to do for me? if you can figure a way to talk about the benefits, well, Miss Johnson, my main objective today is to get your carpet back in service before you need it, before the kids get home or something like that. You still can feel good because my steam action will dry the carpets in 3 hours, but you don't tell her that. That's all features. Try to think of ways to talk about what's going to benefit her, that the carpets will be dry before the children get home from school. Talk about the truth about carpet protector. We have a nice little brochure here that I like to sit down with the client at her coffee table while my guy is finishing up the last room. I don't do this before, I don't even pull it out before my guy is on like the last room of carpet where she's already like, ooh, ah, and she sees how great everything looks. And then I say, Miss Johnson, can I sit down and speak to you for one moment? And I said, I really would hate to walk out your door and Johnny comes home and he spills something, spills some grape juice. Your husband comes home with some mud or dirt on his shoes. It's a little wet outside today. He had some bad weather. Miss Johnson, your investment today will start decreasing before 24 hours, but you can stop that. This is called Complete Guard. We can apply this after we're done. You see how this wine is spilled on this white carpet and it's not going down into the fibers? That's why this is called Complete Guard, Mrs. Johnson. So you'll be able to wipe it away. And the good things is, if you do buy Complete Guard today, I'm going to give you a bottle of our professional spot remover to help you. 2 squirts of this, a damp microfiber cloth, and the problem solved. Now, if you don't get it today, you'll be scrubbing and scrubbing, trying to get that spot up, and I'm afraid you're going to scrub it deeper in the fiber. Now, I'm going to show you on this page how after the lady scrubbed it, this was it originally, this white carpet, but after she tried to scrub at it and get it up herself, look how she made that whole white carpet worse. She made it pink. Then she expects me to be able to come back and work a miracle after she done made this white carpet here pink. But all that can be prevented today by adding to your investment. So now, John, like you just said, if the job is $167, I don't know how good you are with math, John, but what's 160? Half of $167.
Let's get the calculator up. 167 divided by 2, $83.50.
Add that to the 167.
That's $250.50.
We just took that job from 167 to 250, whatever you said. Who do you think, after what I just showed you in this brochure, is not, if they have the money, unless they're financially challenged, but a lot of the houses we do, if they already spent 167, they'll go the extra mile and spend 250. Now, the only thing I have to do is spray this product on. I get another $87 or whatever it was, and I'm out the door. And every time I go back to that lady's house, or if she ever did use somebody else, if they don't have carpet protector, she's going to feel nude. She's going to feel naked, like we're leaving her carpet clean without any protector. That is the best advice I could give for anybody that needs to, like you said, John, I can go out here today and I can do this. Now, if you do want this brochure, and you're like, well, Roger, I don't have this brochure, give me a shout in the Carpet Cleaning World University Facebook group, and I will reach out to the makers of this brochure, and we'll get it sent to you with a purchase of at least 1 gallon of Complete Guard. There's no reason to have this brochure if you don't have the product to back it up. And I'm just saying, if you put this in a pump-up sprayer or a battery-operated sprayer, this will go the distance. And once you see how successful you are selling it in the first job, you will train you and your staff to at least offer this every time you go out on the job.
So from what you said there, just to kind of summarize and just pull all this together, if you don't feel comfortable just kind of upselling off the cuff, get yourself like a brochure made with the different things that you could offer. It could be carpet protector. You could have a page in there maybe about upholstery or whatever it is. And that might be something that you feel more comfortable with using as a prop almost when you're in the home, right? Sit down just so that you know, like, these are the different things that we can also do while I'm in the home and I've got the equipment here.
And John, you can also make little short videos. Like my wife and I, we're going to clean a room or two tomorrow. And while my wand is just steaming, like the steam is just blaring while I'm cleaning the carpet and the carpet's coming 2 shades lighter, all I need is a 15-second video of that. And I show that to a client on my tablet, not your cell phone. Be professional. Show it to them on a tablet. If you don't want to talk, then show. If you can't talk, then show. If you don't have the ability, like John just said, to be able to sell, then make something with all the digital stuff they have in the world today. You can use a tablet, you can use a large smartphone. Don't get one of them little teeny smartphones and then be mashing it all up in your client's face. Get a tablet or a large screen smartphone and let them watch the magic happen. If you want to sell the tile and grout in the bathrooms, like I told you, John just agreed with me. Show them a short video, 15 seconds, no more, for upholstery. Show them that how the upholstery is coming 2 shades lighter when you're pulling that wand. It has to be smoking. They have to see the steam so they get that 15-second, oh, yes, how much is that? How much is that? That way you don't have to talk. All you really want to do is clean anyway, right? Carpet cleaner. Well, then let your tablet, let your work sell it for you. But you have to put it in front of them. You have to show them something. If you don't take the initiative to do that, then you'll always just be cleaning. And it's not AGB's fault. It's not the Carpet Cleaning World University's fault. You have to find a way to show them your work so they'll see the value and want to invest, which will give you upsells so you'll feel like you're seeing your value.
I just had a light bulb moment while you were saying all of that, Roger. One of the things that you could do is you could make like a little show reel, a video, like you said, like a little video with all the different extra stuff that you do, tile and grout, showing all the dirt between the tiles and all of that, the upholstery, the carpet protector. You could put it into like a video. And what you could do is you could email that to the customer the day before you arrive at the home. You could say in the email, if you'd be interested in any of these additional services in the video, just let us know when we arrive tomorrow. When we arrive tomorrow, talk to the technician.
My wife always says, see, I know everybody doesn't have a wife like I do. Then you have to find somebody that can answer your phones. You cannot answer your own phone. But that's another show. What's said on the phone is said in the home. So if you want to sell upholstery cleaning, if you want to sell carpet protector, my wife already pre-sells it on the phone. Oh, when Roger gets out there or our technician gets out there, he's going to tell you about our wonderful complete guard. Don't worry about what it is right now. Like she just, whatever's said on the phone softens the blow for what's said in the home. I would love to take that. My wife, Janae Lloyd, put that together and she teaches that at our 2-day event, which is just awesome. You should just see all the carpet cleaners' eyes light up when she says it. It's just so powerful. But these are tips. And if you want more, the Carpet Cleaning World University Facebook group is where you want to be.
Absolutely. So yeah, if you don't feel comfortable like talking in person with someone, absolutely, you can try over the phone. I love the idea about the video, the brochure. The idea that I've just had has just come to me. I think is great. Like if you don't have any self-esteem or confidence to sell or to ask for more money in person or even over the phone, send an email out with the video before you actually arrive. Hopefully the customer will watch it and they'll watch the video of all the different services. Then you arrive at the home and say, hey, I saw that email. Can you do my upholstery as well and my tile and grout? Maybe that's a way of doing it. And as well, like there's like a general thing, the entrepreneurial journey, the journey of being a business owner, it does take you out of your comfort zone. It is a journey. There are ups and downs. It is a learning experience and we're always learning. You know, I've been doing advertising for the Carpet Cleaning cleaning industry for years and years. I'm still learning. I just come up with an idea right now that I just shared with you. Roger's still learning. We're all still learning. And I think one of the key things that I can say to everybody, one of the big pieces of advice is don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone.
Yes.
And sometimes you just got to tell your brain to shut the F up and just compartmentalize that fear. And sometimes you just gotta bury any like nervousness or anxiety, and you just gotta give it a go. And sometimes when you're bold like that, when you're able to overcome that fear, for that first time, you ask and you say, hey ma'am, do you want me to do your sofa as well for an extra $150? When that person says yes, okay, and you walk out with another $150, that feeling of achievement, your heart's going to be beating, the adrenaline, the euphoria of like, oh my God, man, I just turned a $150 job into a $300. You're going to feel so good. You're going to feel like you're walking on air, man, for like the rest of the day. So anybody in general, outside of all the practical tips and advice, the hacks, the cracks that we've given you today in this action-packed, value-packed video, if you are like feeling a little bit nervous, you do feel a little bit uncomfortable, like asking for more money and all that stuff, just be bold, man. Be brave, just for one day. For me, for
But
Roger,
just talk to them.
Just talk to them,
Just
man.
talk.
Just talk
Listen.
to them. Just
Don't
talk.
even try to sell it. That's
Just
where
talk.
we all go wrong.
Yeah.
Just tell you like, Miss Johnson, do you know how much bacteria and germs and odors that a cushion holds in a sofa? Oh, well, let me just share with you. Like, and then she will turn it around, be like, well, you don't clean that, do you? Oh, absolutely. And then you want to talk about it anyway. So let them know every time you don't share with your clients what you know, what you've learned in this business, you are doing them an injustice. Forget you, you're doing them an injustice. Absolutely. So educate them. Don't sell them. Miss Johnson, did you have any idea how much soil is accumulated? Did you know one dark piece of carpet can hold a pound of dirt? That's it.
That's it, man. Absolutely. Absolutely. And on that note, I think we'll wrap things up. I think there's been a lot of really good advice and education in this video. I think it's been a great episode. Anybody that would like to get the phone ringing off the hook on autopilot, anybody that wants more jobs, anybody that's ambitious, that's looking to grow, hit us up, www.a-g-b.co. You'll find the link in the description of this video. We'd love to talk to you. We'd love to share our screen, walk you through our marketing system that's specifically for the carpet cleaning and the floor cleaning industry. We don't work with anybody else. Check it out. And also, if you want more coaching, more educational content, more value, how to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, do go and head over to the Carpet Cleaning World University Facebook group. The link is in the description below. Join up to the group. There's so much content in there. And you're also going to get to find out about some of the other ways that Roger and his team can help you guys take things to that next level. And on that note, guys, see you on the next video. Have a great day. It's Monday when we're recording this, so whatever day you're watching it, I hope you're having a great day. Have a great week ahead. We appreciate you and we wish you all the best and all the success in the world.